Yeah. All right. So, I can start by running the test, I guess. Just to.
Something like browser launch is passing, but this one I don't know if it's passing.
Okay.
This one I would go for next.
Okay. The content is served. Okay. Is there a browser launch test end to end?
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is the one. All right.
Can rename this to browser is launched.
Yeah. Oh no. What happened to my keyboard? Yeah. Browser is launched. Oh, this one, I think. Yeah.
Have a bit of a leak from you, Olivier. Maybe
Oh,
decrease the volume.
yeah, I can try to do this.
Well, this doesn't really work.
Is it better
But-
now, or?
I think so, yeah. Oh no, it's not. I can still hear some leak.
Oh. Sorry.
Let's see the test.
Yeah. You mean page content is served?
Yes.
Okay.
I still have that leak.
Yeah, I'm trying to resolve it. I don't have to change the volume of my microphone.
I don't think it's the volume of the microphone that matters. I think it's preventing the leak. So I don't want a weaker leak. I want no leak. You could also try playing with how the headphones are sitting on your head. If it's more tight, maybe it won't leak. So what's this test doing?
Spawning the subject, then the browser, and then checking if the browser launches, opens a new page with this fixture.
Mm-hmm.
Is it better
gets...
like this?
Is it?
No.
No, I still have it. But I can turn on echo cancellation for you. I just have to stop recording.
Sorry, I don't know what's...
Or you could try restarting your headphones. Maybe they have a glitch.
Yes, let's try that.
I think... Can you not just turn on echo cancellation for me?
Off. And this is my laptop microphone, but I think it's worse. I don't.
Well, it is worse. Also,
yeah,
echo cancellation is off, so it will, by definition.
So let me connect my headphones again.
Shivaraj has Echo Cancellation on for some reason.
It was on, but I don't know. I think I set it to on long time ago and I forgot to turn it off. My previous headphones was bad. This one is better, so I can turn it off.
It says it should be on for anyone who's not wearing headphones. Which makes sense. But leaky headphones also fit that description, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you say, Olivia? Should we turn on Echo Cancellation for you?
I think that could maybe do some stuff, yeah. I mean, it's better than nothing, I
so-
guess. The headphones number 3, and I switched to the 5, and I think like that the noise cancellation is worse. And I was like, what? How is that possible?
I'm never buying a product that has a capacitive control ever again, unless the technology is like much better.
Yeah.
This nonsense. I want a button that always does what I mean it to do, not like that you have to practice to get it right.
Yeah, that's fair.
This is like, oh, look at me. I'm just swiping on my headphones on the train. And then people think, wait, why is he doing that? Is he just playing around, or is that how it works?
True.
All right. Shivaraj, take command.
Okay. Who's highlighting next? Is it Olivia?
Yes, if I was the captain.
Oh, yeah, right.
So I'm sharing.
So we are working on the test. You would wanna.
Do I have to change something inside the?
No.
No, not the NVRC or.
Nope.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
So I don't know why this editor is so slow to boot up for the first time. Okay.
We were in test end-to-end.rs.
Yep.
And the test that we were trying to run is page content is served. Page underscore content. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, this is one. So this just, when I ran it on my machine, it just hung. So we want to see
Some of
what's
these
wrong.
tests hang.
Yeah,
I
okay.
mean, fail by hanging. That's just how they are. And there is no timeout, by the way. So I don't know. We don't know where this hangs at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe we should run the test and see what we see in the logs towards the end.
What? Is this?
Yeah.
What? How did it get?
It's just
okay.
history.
We were running this last time.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
My bad. So the issue about the log not showing got fixed. Frontier, right? Oh, it doesn't compile. What? What the?
Yeah, you have to reload your
yeah.
shell outside the editor. You have to start your editor from.
I can put the session timer. What was the port for the?
You can run mob open. I think in the terminal it should open.
Mob T open.
Mob T open. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So where could this thing hang? Because it's loading the browser and then it's hanging. Is it serving the page or?
It's loading the browser and then it's waiting for the title of the tab of the new page.
Mm-hmm.
Save and waiting. There it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd like to see the logs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Should have compiled it first before joining.
Nah, it's okay.
Hopefully we can see the logs before the end of the 7 minutes.
What you should apologize for is this power efficient CPU.
Normally it should be, since I'm plugged. Wait, I'm not detected as plugged in. What's? So that's maybe why it's so slow.
Yeah, maybe it's throttling. It's in power save mode.
Yeah, I should be plugged, so it should be efficient, but it's not detecting it as plugged. What But I'm seeing the. Okay, I think I know what's maybe happening. Because I changed this in my config recently. So maybe I'm not charging because I'm above 80%. Okay, sorry. So let me run mob next, but nothing.
Oh, I think your screen just froze.
Oh. Okay. Well, anyway, it's the timer got to the end, so let's switch for now.
Yeah, you can take the.
And it finally compiled. Okay.
Shared screen.
Okay, I used the mob next. So you can take command. I pass you the command. Oh no, I'm the one to
the
be.
captain.
Yeah.
This is a different one. This is browser launch. Page. Browser spawn takes a while, and we have it. And the log for this is long, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like we probably want instead of deriving debug for this, or for that, we probably want to implement derive for this because it's a whole bunch of things. I don't know. What do you think about this? We can just leave it. Maybe it's nitpicky. So here's the state for testing.
Mhm.
I think we shouldn't be printing it from app.
It is not, right? It's being print. It's from testing.
It's here. Right.
Oh.
Which is not, but not how we're supposed to do it. We're supposed to have a driver for stood out and send that there. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's supposed to be something like commands dot push command driver command stood out. Grab this, and that will be you don't print, you get the string, right? It is a toString. Driver command. No, not quite. We need a driver command stood out command, stood out driver command with a string inside, right? Let's fix this. Generate variant. We don't know what's inside the variant. Let's go to C. This is supposed to be a stood out driver command. There's no such thing. Let's go to driver rs. Let's make a pub create mod stood out. Generate. Create stood out driver struct impl stood out driver pub create fn new doesn't take anything and returns a something process on. Should probably use a trait at this point. We do need we don't need an event sender for this one. Here. This. Whoops. That. But it's does not have an event stream. So forget it. Actually, it does. Like the success of writing, the result of writing. Am I right? Because you have to. Whoops! Didn't want to cut this out of here. Okay. This is stood out driver event. Pub create struct stood out driver event has something we don't know yet. This syntax. Import that. Import this. This will do a basically the same as spawn new. So we need this field. Let's send.
Yeah.
Yep.
There we go.
I give you the command of the ship.
Mob next. Oh, sorry. Mob start 7. All right. So stood out driver. You won't be sending any event, right? So we don't need this.
There is an event. It's the result of printing to writing
Okay.
to stood out.
Okay.
What does
Print.
yeah,
turn?
because print line, print and print line macros don't. What do they unwrap? I suppose they unwrap, right? They both
Not sure.
obtain a stood out handle and unwrap. That's why you never see the result there.
Mhm.
So we could take that route and use them. I don't mind really.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
do it.
In that case, we don't need this.
Sure. Yeah.
There won't be any driver event at all. Stood out driver event. Oh, sorry. That's
Correct.
yeah. Thus, we will not have. Okay. This goes away. And we'll not even have we don't need this at all new, do we?
We do. We need self.
Oh, so we just return get the event stream.
There's no event stream. We just instantiate self.
Okay. And this returns self, that's it.
Yes, it's just a constructor, which is silly right now, but I think we'll have a trait that formalizes this stuff.
Right. Process spawn driver command. Oh, no, this is not it.
This will be a stood out driver.
Yeah. Stood out driver command.
This is a new type over string.
Yep.
How do you define new type in Rust? Is it just upgrade? Is there a new type?
No, tuple struct.
Tuple struct?
Yep, single field tuple struct. It's a struct with a single positional field.
Oh, right. Yeah. Stood out driver command. Something else. What does it say? Inaccessible. Tuple struct. Stood out is inaccessible. Okay, never mind. Commands, delay, subscribe. We have the command, which is a stood out driver command, and we just print.
Pattern match it in the parameter.
Yeah. Stood out driver command and
string.
Yeah. Oh God. String. I can just string or print the string.
Yes, you need a template string there. Format string.
Format string.
The print macro invocation does not take identifier. It takes a format string.
Is it actually format?
No, not the format macro. The macro was correct.
The macro was correct.
Yes, but the macro argument is not correct.
It's format.
Okay. I see. So I can just wrap it like this or something?
Yes.
Yeah. Init doesn't take any self anymore. Wait.
It does. Oh.
But it's not used at all. Oh, it does not need to be mute. Oh, it does not need to be mutable at least. And it's unused.
It's unused.
Yeah.
Because it does not.
In that case, we don't need new at all, do we?
That's correct. Right now we don't, but when we formalize this with a trait, we will probably need one.
Okay. All right. So that seems to work. And do we have diagnostics?
Workspace diagnostics.
Yeah. Workspace diagnostics, open diagnostic picker, workspace diagnostic picker, capital D. Yeah. Got error here. Stood out driver command. Import. And got next here. Wait, what? What is the error?
Derive debug for it.
Okay. GD.
And clone.
Oh, what is that? Already.
It's hash. It starts with hash. The line starts.
Or the
with hash.
line starts with hash. Yeah.
And square.
Okay.
Hash, square, derive.
Oh, hash, square, derive.
The other square.
The other square.
That-
Wait, I just look at.
Oh, it is. Look, it is a
Oh,
square.
okay, it's
it
like
looked
that.
like curly for a moment.
Yeah. Yep, got it. Yeah, mob next.
Yep.
Take command.
Yeah. Okay.
So
We were at stood out. No, we were fixing the workspace, whatever errors we have in the workspace diagnostics, and that was. You can. Do you have a way to see all the errors in the workspace? Diagnostics. I think if you just search for diagnostics, you might find something. Go to diagnostics.
okay, now that's it.
That's within the file. Or you can just run cargo check in the terminal.
Also, I was
app.rs.
I was actually in. Okay.
But yeah, clone is not that. You might
so
want
it
to
needs to
yeah.
it needs to also derive the clone here. And that's fixed. Like hopefully. Okay, and now cannot initialize. Okay. So.
Oh.
So this is init. Or should we call?
It's a private field, so I think the string inside is
the string is private.
So we just have to change the definition to make it public, pub string, as the note says in the cargo check output. Yeah.
I think you guys are talking about two different things.
Oh.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh.
Pub crate. That's what we do here.
And so now that's okay, but now there is no. Okay.
Yeah. You want to define a custom one for this. That's what we discussed before, right?
So state for testing. Where does it?
Captain.
Yeah. We want to implement a custom display.
Yeah.
For this.
For the SCD out or for the
state for testing.
Okay, which is in testing.rs. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have to define
it's in right. This is not where the definition is. So for state for testing, it's
it's just the implementation. Okay.
Yeah.
And so this should implement display.
Don't
Just
guess
push it.
where it is. Use the tooling to find all implementations. There it is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So okay, that was correct. All right. Yeah.
What happened here? Is this like a diff view? What?
It's the because I toggled I searched for the definition, so it opened all of them.
Okay. Some view I was not.
But this is the implementation
Yeah,
for
so we want to.
functions. Okay. But we want to implement.
I think we don't need
display.
that function anymore. That print function.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can.
But we do want the toString function.
So I should define the toString inside the common or inside the testing inside the common, right?
Usually you
Is that
keep it with the data, with the type, with the struct, right?
That struct is shared between two crates.
Okay.
One is the implementation and another is the end-to-end test crate. But the implementation is only relevant for the implementation.
The rest of the. Okay, so we are interested about the testing implementation, right?
That's where that function should be.
Okay.
Yeah, so it should be around here.
Well, print should be modified into it.
Okay.
Okay. Do we just implement the display for the stateful testing, or do we just define toString itself in stateful testing?
Good question. What do you think? I'm not sure. We said I called it toString. Maybe it should be display because it's just turning it into a string. But it's more like serialize. But there's no is there a trait for that? I mean, don't we have like a derive? But serialize is not necessarily to a string. Serialize can be to any format.
Yeah.
And I pass the command.
Olivia, if you don't know what to do, it's better to just ask.
Okay.
Ask what to do and wait. Shared screen. Not sure what the idiom is in this case. This is the stood out driver. We have a source testing here. And should we implement display in terms of 30 JSON this? I'm going to just do it. Impl display for state for test. We can't do that. We don't own this. We can't do it here. We can do it only.
Yeah, it should be done in the other file where it's defined, right?
Huh?
It's.
Yes, you're right. It's not this crate, so that's why.
It's common.
Okay.
It's common, but
Common.
ours, I think. Yeah. But then we could also just derive the. Yeah, okay. Could also derive the display, but.
You can't derive display. There's probably a crate that does
Can't
that,
we?
but It's not. How would we derive this play?
Oh no, I'm confusing it with the debug. I think, yeah.
State for testing. What's going on here? Why is this play not in scope? Okay, we have to qualify, implement, and bring in this stuff. Now this, I don't think should be here. And if it should not be here, it should probably be in the app. And I think it is, isn't it? No, it isn't. So where is this? State for testing. Before doing this, we do state for testing, right? Site. And then we don't do this, we don't do this. We grab that, put it here, remove this, and in fact, remove this entire module. So we do something like parent past LSP parent module. And we, okay, do this, remove the file.
Yep.
Okay, now we have the state for testing, and this is, we stringify it, so let's call it string. And then we do a, basically this is it, right? And unwrap should be infallible. It's a
And
right.
then we need to put it inside the
right.
Yeah.
How does that work?
I think it's F and then the banana.
Unwrap F, and then format
and then the string, I would say.
String. Oh,
And I don't think there is a need for the unwrap.
So we do this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Remove that. Cool.
Mm-hmm. So now I think we can go back to the. So now the main should compile, right? The app.errors should.
I don't have errors.
Okay, that's nice.
And this is printing of state for testing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe we are passing it through though to the driver. I don't think we're instantiating the driver.
Mm-hmm. Correct. So we should instantiate it.
Here's the driver, and this is.
So this is just the init of the. Of the
out
testing
driver.
Of the stood out, yeah.
And then we need one of these. By the way, I've thought of a different architecture, slightly different architecture that we won't need to do this multicast stuff.
Okay. What would it? How would it work then?
There would be one driver, or basically no driver. Sorry, no, wrong. There would be a single subscription, but the command will always be just a function, just a closure. The command will always be just a boxed closure.
Mm-hmm.
And the obtaining the boxed closure will be by obtaining it from a driver.
Okay, so the driver will be the one to emit the.
it won't emit. It's just a method
Not
on the
emit, but
driver,
just
or just a
have the-
function
Okay, yeah.
in order to obtain some side effect. And then you just emit that effect, and it'll be always go to a single subscribe that just expects closure. And I think if it's a box closure, I think that can probably work, because a box closure is just always the same type, I think, with dynamic dispatch.
Okay.
Mhm.
Browser. This is
STD out.
something.
So I give you the. It's the command. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I
Right.
give you the command.
Yeah.
No, I should give you the leadership, not the command, right? You should be the one passing command.
What's the difference?
I should be passing command. Yeah. Oh no, you. Oh,
I
okay.
thought command and leadership is the same.
Okay, I thought command was actually the one having the screen, and the leadership was the one directing the one having the screen. But maybe I'm confusing the two. Because there's the captain that tells the
Captain has command.
other. Okay, captain has command. Okay, so I give you the command. Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
And Shivaraz is the pilot, and pilot has the helm.
Okay, it's pilot and captain. Okay, yeah, makes sense.
Yep. Wait, is there a problem due to one previous error?
Yes, you can use your editor to find the problem.
Yeah. There's no error here. That's the.
You need to save.
Oh, yeah. It's not on the top. That's weird. Does
Did
it say
I did mob next. Okay. Oh, yes.
no method init found for struct in the current scope? Oh, because init doesn't take self anymore. That's the reason.
You sure you have the latest? Can you try reading?
Uh,
I meant reading.
reading.
Reading in the editor.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the error?
This init.
That's not. Yeah, it is. It is my code.
Yeah, because
What's the problem is the third. What did I do there? Browser spawn driver. You see, 124 should be
124.
not browser spawn driver. Oh, it should be. I don't know what I did there. Isn't it earlier? The problem is earlier. Sorry. The problem is a bit earlier. It's pretty bad how you received it here. But I think the problem is 109.
109.
That if you complete that, the name is wrong.
It should be stood out driver command.
Yes, and then it should be based on the same thing, and then filter map, driver command, stood out, driver, stood out. That should be better. Now try to init that.
Oh, it just stood out. Wait, what did I call it? Oh, I called it stood out driver commands. That's correct, right? Yeah. But it should be stood out driver.
Stood out driver init without argument?
Yeah. without argument?
No, you need the arguments.
yeah.
Std.out driver commands.
Cannot find value in the scope. Wait. Did we not define it?
58 is wrong.
It should be a std.out driver. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
And then it should take the
Init found for struct.
It's the wrong binding there. Argument to init.
Oh yeah. Std.out driver commands. Yep. No method named init found for std.out driver.
Maybe it's not public.
Yeah. It is public.
Maybe it doesn't compile.
I think, yeah. I think it's because of the self argument.
Right. That's right. It does not have a self.
Mm-hmm. All right, so that should work now.
Yeah, that's it. Now it should compile. Yeah, it does compile. And if we
Nice.
run the page, content is served. Now you should get
The std.out driver command. It's actually is printing.
It's
Yeah,
probably
yeah.
printing. But
Or
actually we wouldn't see it because this like the test suite does not report obtaining this. Maybe it should. Maybe we could go modify the test suite to report that it had received this.
End to end. Right. Yeah, I received the event, you mean, is it?
Received the line, read the
Received the
state
line.
for testing line and parsed it.
Okay.
That should be somewhere in spawn subjects, I believe.
Spawn subject, this one.
Yes.
What I think it's almost time. I should just pass the pilot.
yeah.
Up next.
Sharing screen.
Shiva take command.
Yeah. All right. So we were meant to go to the test, spawn subject, and Shahar, I didn't really understand what you meant there. By
Spawn subject, at some point down its implementation, it will wait on a line, on a stood out line. And that line is from the subject. And that line is the state for testing.
oh,
Or not. You see that? State for testing none.
yeah.
So somewhere else, that's handled somewhere else.
Okay. So do we have to see where state for testing is
Yes.
initialized and then go back from there?
Right. You can find references for this, for example.
Yeah. State for testing here.
Yeah, but this is the definition. We want to find the references.
Yeah.
Are there go to
Oh, it's the
command
one
actions? There should be a go to references command action.
Search references. But when you do such a thing, don't select. It acts on the position of the caret.
Oh, okay. So I can just.
Selecting might have the result you did not intend.
Right. So state for testing, I think it's line 218, the last one that we are looking for. Is it? Looks like it.
Yeah. So I can probably. Yeah.
Right. From string. So it is in from string. What is this? Function.
Which
Okay.
function? Sorry.
Sorry, yeah, never mind. Yeah, I think if you just scroll up, you might find where the line is. Oh, yeah, this is where we are waiting on stood out, and then parsing
This-
state for testing. Okay.
This is a method on subject called state for testing, and it's idempotent.
Okay.
What does idempotent means?
I
There?
think. I'm not sure when it is called. It means that if state for testing is already obtained, then it'll just early return it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure what to do next.
What we wanted to do is to just, for the test suite, to print this as soon as it is obtained.
Okay. So it'll be after in line number 217.
Yep.
ePrint line.
ePrint to.
Stood error.
Or, okay.
ePrint. Yeah.
Format string.
Yeah.
Double quotes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Sync.
my resolution is low.
Yeah. We can run the test now.
Yeah.
I
Page
wonder
content.
whether. I don't think we want this. I think we want to print line the debug of this, not because the serialization of this is like.
Oh, so we would want to do it's like.
I think after. Is it after state for testing?
So here I got the state for testing.
That's from the app. Every time you see that info,
Oh,
well, at
yeah,
the beginning of the line, you can see.
Where it comes from.
Yes. So if it doesn't have
Okay.
this prefix, then it's from the.
From the testing.
Yeah, well, everything is from the testing, but it passes through and adds a prefix.
So that would.
I think
the
this
prefix
never
should be
happens.
end to end. Again, because
In any case, we want the debug of this.
So yeah, there's nowhere where the info is end to end.
Yeah. So this never happens, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't delete it. Why are you deleting it?
I thought you wanted me to put the debug
I do.
thing, but
It's a postfix, right? It's and then
oh,
colon. Yes.
okay. I thought it needed to be then after as an argument. I didn't know you could do it like that.
Only identifiers can be used there. Expressions have to be outside.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I mean, would be nice to be able to place simple expressions there.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Yeah, Olivia, take command.
Yes.
Sharing screen. Have we reached the conclusion that this is not, this never gets, it's never obtained?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think so. Yeah.
The browser responds. The app does print the state for testing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Does it print the state for testing? How do we know that? We have no indication that it does print the state for testing, right? It prints for info, but and this command for printing it does go out, but I don't know that the stood out driver actually. Wait. Go to definition doesn't work.
Oh,
Maybe because this was out of date. So it should be somewhere here. Wait, hold on. I know why. Because this is not it's not complete. It doesn't have a line feed.
Mhm.
This is incorrect.
oh,
It does not have a line feed.
okay.
That should work.
Okay, let's try it.
Browser takes an awful long time to run.
Um,
What are we looking at?
we are looking for the stdout command print, but I don't see it.
I kind of wish my terminal made it clear what is a continuation, line continuation. Can we do that?
I don't know.
I'm not sure either.
Can Alacrity be configured to provide an indication of line continuation, line wrapping?
But there is a \n at the end anyway, right? So it should.
Hmm. Multiplexer, I don't want. Shell level hints. Well, I am using new shell. Can I do that with new shell? Can new shell help with this? Open the. What would it be called? Wrap? Line wrap? It says no. Yeah, I don't think it should be the shell, right? Issues. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hints. Wow, 8 pages of this. Oof. Well, this is something that LLMs are good at, like finding things that you're looking for. So I'm going to just give up at this point.
Yeah. That's fair, I think.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do something like this. Panic. Yep.
Same thing.
Sorry, what's the problem?
I don't know.
Oh, this is inside the format string.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's not
right,
here. I
correct.
was looking for the stood out driver subscribe. This is where I wanted the panic. Okay.
That's correct.
Well, we have the panic.
So, yeah. And it comes after the stdia with driver commands. Yeah. So I think it should print. Because what are we passing to this when we spawn it? It's the.
Sorry.
So what are we supposed to see? Because it's panicking, but could you run the test again?
Without the panic?
Maybe we're just confused about the last
We're
info print.
supposed to see.
Yeah, we got here, didn't we?
The state for testing. See when, for example, connect to browser, use a state for testing method. URL is a state for testing method. And that's what we're calling in our test. That's our test. Okay, so it may be hanging here, waiting for state for testing. Maybe we're missing state for testing because it happens too early. Rotated.
Yeah.
That might be the case. The thing is, I did my best not to modify the test suite when I started re-implementing this in RX Rust. The stuff
I
needs
give
to
you
work.
the command. But if it's panicking, I think it should print it at least, since it's reaching the.
The panic is removed.
But isn't this the
So
print?
that may be the
This
the
is
print,
the print
yes.
statement. Yeah.
What do you? What is it? No.
Yeah, it has stood out.
Because we have an info. That's
maybe
the info.
the one after the state for testing on the next line.
Oh yeah, this is
This
the
one?
one. Yeah, this is the one. This
Perfect.
doesn't have any prefix.
Yeah, so it should. Wait, so it shouldn't get here. It should be captured. It shouldn't reach. Wait, what? It shouldn't reach here. Something wrong with the way Where are we printing this from? From the test suite, right?
Yeah.
Not from the implementation.
Well, there are too many print lines. I should just look for state for testing.
It's inside that method. Near the bottom of that method.
Button.
You missed it.
Oh.
I saw where it should be.
Is there any function name that I can
But I
navigate?
think your that method, yes, state for testing.
State for testing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Is this state for testing?
Oh, this is spawn
object.
subject. This is spawn subject, yeah. We need state for testing. That's a method. Wait, no?
Yes, that method. Somewhere near the end of it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It was line.
It
200.
was here, right?
Oh,
but it's
yeah,
not here now.
Yeah.
Try reading.
Maybe we did ePrint line and something.
How do you know that your buffer is up to date? After you do mob start and you get back to a buffer, how do you know that it's up to date?
Oh, yeah. I have to reload. I don't see any indication of it being old.
Can you fix that?
Yeah, I have to check. I don't know how to do that.
I think your editor should be configured to tell you that that has been changed, right? Like, watch out,
Yeah.
this file changed underneath my feet.
Yeah.
Look it up. We don't want this to happen again, right?
Yeah. Automatic reload on file changes externally. This is
Let's
also.
see what they say.
Oh.
It seems that at least 306 people agree that this would be a good idea. I frankly don't know how 306 people agree on something and no one actually does it.
Yeah, that's the issue I had with Helix. That's why I switched.
Yeah.
There's some stuff I was missing. Not this
What
one
is
particularly, but
is there a PR? Yeah. Oh yeah, there is. There was a closed one, and there's now an open one.
January is a while ago.
What's the status on this? The final one. Oh, it was opened by a maintainer.
Well,
Yeah.
the subject. Good. Subscribe to it and.
Yeah. I'm not logged in, but I mean, just.
The question is, what's the workaround?
Yeah, I just reopen my editor.
That hurts.
Every time.
I mean, fine. Yeah, I don't mind. It's not a big project. If it's a big project, then you have a cache loading problem with that workflow.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it was here.
Yeah.
So that's where that's from.
Yeah.
Which means that this function returns. So you can remove that. No, we said that this is not temporary. We said we probably want to. I mean, it's somewhat extraneous, really. Just remove it. This happens. This is reliable. Fine, whatever. Now that means that URL is where that goes. So that's called from URL if you see the test itself.
URL.
Yep, that was it.
This one.
Exactly. And that's just a format. So
Yeah.
let's see where that returns to.
Go to references.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have an instance, browser instance new page.
This works.
Maybe we never get this browser. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
We, if we want to know, we could we can stop chaining it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
Sharing screen.
Take command, Shivaj.
Yeah. Yep.
Page content.
So view page content is served, and then we wanna split that chaining.
Yes. So around here, I guess.
Please use
instance.
the tooling.
Yeah.
Instead of manually editing this.
Sorry, what?
Please use the tooling instead of manually editing it.
Yeah, you can select what you want to be extracted into a separate function, and then use a command, use a code action.
That's not the right selection.
Yeah, the first browser and dot instance we wanna.
That's also quite not it. You don't want to have. Yeah, it's not going to be a line selection. It's going to be a character selection, and it will not include the let title. What we want to select is browser, instance, new page, await.
Okay, sorry.
And maybe the unwrap as well. With the await.
Yeah. Await, unwrap. Yeah.
Yep.
And now code action. So what it will be called?
I don't think you need to search the word action. I think you search for the code action you're looking for. It's probably something like extract
into variable.
That works. Wait, how?
Yeah. How do you apply code action in this editor? I'm not sure.
I actually don't know.
You are searching for commands, right? Can you type in extract and show us the list? No matches for extract. Okay. Okay, so what about the word action? Do you have that?
Total code actions.
Toggle?
Yeah, space.
What do you mean by
I think
toggle?
instead of going to the command palette, you just space A on the selection. I think it should open code actions. Yeah, extract into variable. Yeah, right. That's it. Yeah.
You figured that out from the space A.
Yeah.
Shivaj saw space A and said, yeah, that sounds like. Hey, but what the heck is space? What kind of a shortcut is space? Space A is not a combo. It's not hold space and then press A, right? That's not a thing. It's space and then A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a sequence.
A for action, I guess.
Yeah, it is.
So now this is separated. New page. Okay, I didn't know this action actually exists. That's nice. And
Yeah. I think we will. Do we want to print this or something? The new page to what does it return? It returns a page.
You want to
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah.
panic at that point.
Okay.
Okay. And it's so it's
Whoa.
pointing the browser,
Uh,
and it's not panicking, I think, right?
yeah. It's
So
not.
this is
It's
where
not
it
able to
hangs.
open the new page. Or our
So like this,
browser doesn't instantiate itself, does it?
Maybe the browser. Maybe I think I have a good guess what's going on.
yeah.
I have a good
Go
guess.
ahead.
I think I have a good guess. I have a good feeling about this guess. The browser is opening and it's like just trying to load the page, and it's just waiting for data from the server. It's just waiting for a response from the server. That's what's probably happening. I think the server is not running. The server is instantiated in main in the implementation. And it's probably just for some reason not executing. Maybe it has to do with us using the local. Say at the end of main, what's happening at the end of main?
So they're pointing the command subscription.
Future pending await.
Oh, that was the infinite.
Sleep.
No, that's not the one we did. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this was changed during the last few sessions.
If we don't do this, the app exits. So
Yeah,
we need
yeah.
to do that.
Mhm.
But can you show us the server? Because I think we need to like actually spawn a task with the server somewhere. Not just initialized, I don't know, but it's somewhere here, up this function.
So here we're initiating the server and
Yeah, we
port.
have a server, but then are we actually running it?
Command
I don't know.
stream.
No, don't. There's nothing to look further.
Oh, dude. Okay.
That's all we do with the server.
Okay, we're just initiating it and wait, let me type up next.
Yeah. Either way, you can take the command.
Yeah. So I think we want to look at what the server is doing, because right now we're just initializing it and setting up the port, correct? From the main.
Main server equals here.
I think that's okay.
So I'm going to
So what's the init?
init.
Yes.
See what this thing returns.
Yes.
Bind. So we have a listener here. And then the listener goes to here. Server, hyper, server from TCP. This, we get this struct, and it's just returned.
Mm-hmm.
This is a future mapping a bound listener with a set of service handlers. I think it's a future and it should be run by an executor. This part. This is we're not doing.
So we should await. No, what? We should spawn it Or
Awaiting is one way to run
Mhm.
it, but it's not the only way.
okay,
Another way is to spawn.
spawn. Okay, so we should probably spawn that from.
Maybe they should not return anything.
You should maybe
Just
just
okay.
spawn the server.
Yeah, maybe.
So
So like
spawn it.
okay of unit,
And
and
before
then
that, we spawn
Tokyo
the server.
spawn.
I've started doing the Tokyo tutorial yesterday, so I'm getting on it.
Mm-hmm.
So spawn, and what does spawn take? So just the server, I guess, or
Maybe.
and yeah, the return type is then not the correct one. It's a result of self. It should be a result of of nothing. Yeah, unit.
Unit.
Yeah, it might work.
Oh,
No, nothing wrong.
oh, because we're not returning the server anymore. So in the main, it doesn't.
That's why we get the.
Yeah,
So maybe we should return the port.
yeah, maybe. Yeah, so we can delete this, and then in init we just return the port.
The heck.
Oh, it opened in the back. There is
Yeah,
the
it did.
blur background. Wow.
Yeah, that's buggy. I don't know what happens here.
Some
You do not
shenanigans.
know. I don't know how to get to this pop-up-y thingy. Is this good now? No.
You're locked inside the. Okay,
Managed to escape that. Sold all
so this should reach your port.
server port.
Then when we call the OK, do we already have the port in the scope, or should
Zero
we call
local
the
address
port?
port. We can do
We can create it, I guess. Like
port equals server local address port. Server port.
with port. Okay.
Test.
Okay.
Ah,
And
it
now we
panics.
panic.
Yeah.
So that's what we wanted to do. So it now stopped hanging.
Here's the panic.
So we
Remove
can try
that,
to remove the panic. Yeah.
and I can. Darn it! I don't know why not. It doesn't give me the inline.
So
I want to inline it.
So is there an action to inline?
Yeah, there is. I don't know why it's not doing it.
Okay. Good to
Did
know.
it manually.
So run a test again, right?
It actually works sometimes, but like I can't tell when it works and when it doesn't. Like there are some criteria that fail.
Oh, there we go.
Now we can.
So it
Mhm.
passed.
Yep. So now I have
Seems
two
to-
passing tests, probably.
Nice.
I can just run cargo tests. We will get some failures and some hangs. I don't know how we choose what to try. Also, it might take a lot of RAM.
Yeah, you're like 99%. Oh no, it's CPU.
Also, as soon as like, soon it will tell us for some tests that it took I don't know. I
Too
think it does
long?
that after a minute.
Yeah, over 60 seconds.
But we can see that. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I thought it was. Never
Yeah,
mind.
there are a lot of OKs, so that's good.
Yeah. But okay is like the test passing, or when does it print the
Yeah.
okay? Okay.
I don't even have that long.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Okay, so
Build command not executable.
Maybe we can
Think
go
that-
for that.
Yeah, that looks easy.
okay.
Next step.
So yeah. So I give you the command.
Mobstat. We were end-to-end build command.
Command.
Yeah, this is the one.
Run it. Okay, well, I can already see what's going on. It's waiting for a certain stood airline on 835.
And maybe we're not.
Yeah, we just have to go to the build driver.
The build driver is trivial. It just gives the app an event with the result. So the app should handle the logic of doing this.
So that will be an app, Paris.
But for that, we need a stood air driver.
Okay. That acts kind of like the std out.
But maybe if we want to stop making
Driver.
like it's okay to make it's because that pattern that I was suggesting, it might be less boilerplate because in that case a driver is not even, it's just a kind of it's just a function that returns, that gives you a certain closure when you give it some input,
Yeah.
So it doesn't even have. But sorry, what about the looping? Right, like the So it's not just it's a struct, right? Because it needs to keep it's still a struct because it needs to keep an event sender for the reentrancy. So it would be a struct that you instantiate, and then it will not have an. Will it have an init? The init. There will not be an init because it's only there will only be a method on it to obtain its command. Does that make sense? And it would return a boxed closure. That boxed closure will have access to the driver. I don't know if that can work. Because
how can it? If we don't if it doesn't have an init, how can it have access to the sender for the reentrance? We could pass it in the closure, I guess.
Yes, it'll be maybe an RC mutex of the sender could be, or a clone actually. The sender is just a subject. It can be cloned into the closure easily. There's no need for an RC. And then all this multicasting goes away because there is only one subscription that just calls that closure, whatever the closure is.
Okay. Yeah, you might have to tell me what to do. I'm not sure.
Well,
yet.
first we probably want to do this in a different branch.
Okay.
So it's been a while since we made any commit to the master branch. We can do that. You know, the master. It's not like the master branch is better than this branch.
Yeah.
So let's do a mob done. And then a git status to see whether we have like extraneous files here or something.
Null ls. Oh, that's deleted. Okay.
Fine. Fine by me. Let's
Mhm.
commit it. Can you just do a git? No, that looks good. Let's commit it. Call it arbitrary progress. Push it.
Mhm.
We could either
Mob
mob start or we could. I think it's okay to mob start as long as we remember that this is an experiment in that direction.
All right. Yeah.
So let's start from main and go to the like after we get the command stream.
Mhm.
Right. Okay. Is it remove all this from the comment? Remove all that stuff. All this stuff, all this stuff, all that stuff, and all that. Yes.
That's it. Okay.
Yep. And do a commands subscribe delay.
Delay.
Yes, call delay on this.
Commands. Oh, you mean on the command stream, right?
Yes.
Okay. Delay.
Delay. Pass in a
Duration.
duration 0.
0.
And then subscribe.
Subscribe.
And this will be a closure.
Move.
No, no move.
No move. Okay. Rotate it.
Yep. Sharing
Shiva hashtag
screen.
command.
Yeah. I might need some help here because I'm not sure about the pattern yet.
Well, you're the captain. You're not necessarily the navigator.
Yeah.
So that's fine. I will navigate. Give the parameter, give subscribe the closure given to subscribe. Give it a parameter called command. Right. Give it a body. And in the body, call command. No, just call it. It'll be a closure.
Oh, okay.
Call it.
So a function call.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do. Oh, okay. I like that. Okay.
And so these should be infallible. These must be infallible. So give us a semi after that, in the end of that line. Okay. So that's that.
Yeah.
Now, let's go to the app module.
Yes.
And find the type that is returned from it. There's like the app function here, I think.
No.
Find the signature. Like search for FN app. FN run.
It's just run. Yeah.
command
command
stream. Okay, go to that. Okay, local box observable static. Okay, driver command. Go to driver command. We have to change that. Good. Okay, so this is now an enum. It should no longer be an enum.
Mhm.
It should be a struct. Okay, remove all this and make it a tuple struct. Okay. And it should be something like box
Of a-
dine dine is yes like that. FN probably FN mute because probably FN mute.
like this.
There's a
That's one
trait
single.
called
Oh,
FN
it's a
mute.
okay.
That. All right.
And so fn mute is a function that takes mutable, or it's a function that
It's
mutates some.
yeah, it's a closure
Yeah.
that can mutate its
Argument.
its state, right? Its values, the values that it's captured,
Okay.
but it cannot
Conserve the.
consume them, I think.
Sync generic.
Yeah.
So what is this saying?
Oh, yeah. The function mute needs like a function syntax call-y kind of a thing. So you need to give it to append the parentheses to that. Like that, yes. And
And it doesn't.
debug. So don't derive debug.
But then does it make sense to clone?
I don't think this implements clone, no.
So I can just.
Well, I don't know that we can do that, but let's see. What does it say?
Associated item browser's phone not found in this track.
Well, never mind. Let's just go to an error and let's start following errors.
So it should be nice to be able to see the errors. But maybe. Okay, I have this that was hidden some. For some reason. Let's go.
Process.
So this is an error.
Yeah, because driver command is no longer
So
enum.
driver. Yeah. Yeah, because it's a. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the first command that we need to instantiate differently.
Mm-hmm.
What we do here is we instead of this, we call a method on the process spawn driver, and we pass it
to the driver command.
We pass it the process spawn driver command. See, we instantiate a process spawn driver command here, and we need to pass that command to the driver, and it'll give us back a closure. Does that make sense?
So passing the process spawn command, the process spawn. So Wait.
Only the process spawn driver command, I think. You'll be passing it to driver
Okay.
command.
So, like, something like this-ish?
There is no driver command.
Oh. Wait, let me... Okay, let me move to move next.
Yeah, Olivia, take the command.
Yes.
Sharing.
Mhm.
We were in app.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
here.
you have to go in the line 47. I think I control C the. Yeah, you can remove the derived clone. I wanted to go back and I got back one step to.
Okay. Some. Let's extract this for a moment. That's some command. And it's not the command itself. It's more like command args now, but we can rename it in a moment.
Mhm.
And then what we need to do is to obtain the command, we need to do something like process spawn. Yeah. Process spawn driver. So we need an access to we need access to a driver now. Yeah, that means that we need our drivers here.
Mhm.
Which would that be impure in some way?
Mm.
I don't think so, because I think it's fine. What do you? Well, I think it's hard for you to see what I see yet.
I'm thinking about if the driver's state changes inside.
If the driver changes, then look, all the logic won't be here. It'll be in the driver module. But what will be here is this. So you do this,
Mhm.
and then you do process spawn driver command. You even inline it. Here's the inlining, and this is what you get. So a command is obtained by calling command on the driver, and this ends up being so we can try to. We need to obtain the driver here now. But so maybe this is process says spawn args, right?
Mhm.
Process spawn args. Yep.
Yep. And so we need to instantiate the driver before this.
Right. So where this is coming from is
Mhm.
it's kind of funny that the driver will be in the inputs, the driver itself, but hey, we can try. It doesn't hurt to try, right?
Yep.
Maybe we can do inputs and drivers. Does that make sense?
Yep. I think it's nice to
Maybe we can
split
even flip
them.
that and do something like
Driver enum or
derive debug pub create struct drivers process spawn process spawn driver. There's one driver. And it doesn't have debug. So let's go give it debug. I don't know that easy, but here we can try it. Something here. These things are not necessarily debug. Doesn't
Locals.
implement debug. The event was it because the event arrive. I think everything should be debug, right?
I need to type. Can type.
Oh,
Derives?
can't do that.
Okay.
Result mutex child RC error. Which of this does not have debug? Is it this?
It's
The
RC.
local.
RC doesn't have debug? Why?
That's it.
Nah, they have.
Okay.
It might be. It's probably the error, isn't it? Nah,
What is
errors have
local
debug.
subject? Is a.
Yeah, it's probably the local subject, isn't it? Okay. Fine. No debug.
Never mind.
What is this? How does this happen?
You're.
No, that's not supposed to happen. That's not right. See that? It's not supposed to like go.
Yeah, it seems like you're going inside a background plane of, like.
Existence.
Yeah.
Oi, that sucks. Yeah, there's many things I want to change in my. Okay, so this is inputs, and now we also need drivers. First, drivers. Okay, so the drivers. Process spawn. That would be something like process spawn driver new. Here, process spawn driver.
Yeah. Sharing. Yep. Done. What's that?
And I make you captain.
Okay. Main.rs. Right. Somewhere here, process spawn driver. Let's see all the errors. Yeah. Oh, this is debug, right?
Yeah, remove the debug.
Uh-huh. And what's the next error? Cannot find value process spawn driver in the scope. No, it's drivers dot process spawn.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
There's no such
method.
method.
Right. Now we go
Can you generate? It's a command for that, action for that.
generate command method.
Now go to definition.
GA.
On the method, you just generated a method, so you can go to definition on the method.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh nice.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
Let's generate a driver command.
Create
Process
app
spawn
driver
args.
command. Okay, remove the create app, or don't do it manually. Do the action for importing.
So I just select this entire
Don't
thing
you don't select. You place the caret on driver command.
on driver command. Okay.
Don't select.
Action.
Second.
Replace qualified path with use. Okay. Yeah.
And
Right.
so in this command, do we just want to call the process? No.
This is
Return.
where we initiate, right? Instantialize. Yeah.
Return a driver command.
Driver command.
With box new. And take the closure from 48.
48.
Mm.
Oh, right. Okay.
Take the closure. Not
Can
the
I
body.
select that entire closure?
The entire closure.
Yeah.
You selected does that include the call? I can't tell. It seems different. Yeah, cut that.
It includes the entire subscribe, whatever is inside subscribe.
Cut it.
Okay. And now that will be inside
Wait.
here.
Because it took your call as well. It's like wrong. It's like you took the call. That's more than the closure. That's one
Right.
character more than the closure. Both sides.
Oh, it's still more. Yeah.
You need to select inside.
MIM. Yeah, that's correct.
That's better.
Yeah. All right. So now I just space R replace. Yeah, perfect. That's correct.
Remove init. Yes, remove init. We don't do that anymore.
Remove init.
Okay, but we need.
Oh,
we don't have the. No, remove it. That's fine.
Okay.
Now we need. We don't have self line 52.
Line 52. Yeah.
We don't have self. What we need to do is do something like event sender equals self event sender clone. But before we return the driver command, before that.
Oh. Before we return
first
the driver
line.
command. Yeah, yeah. Event sender is equal to self dot event sender dot clone. And
we use that instead on line 53.
Yeah. Okay. And the driver command has a private field, so we need to make this public.
Can we use a new instead?
Where?
Because then we don't need to do box new every time.
Oh, a new inside here.
So
the new would just return the box of what's.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to the call site.
Call site.
Yes, and instead of constructing a driver command, do a driver command new.
Oh, got it. So that'll be driver command new.
And then unwrap the box.
And then unwrap the box.
Unwrap the box new call.
It just
or
goes
unwrap
away?
the closure from the box new call.
Okay. Just that. And
so now we just need to do the new.
Yeah. So I can just generate new function.
And and go to, I guess. Nice.
And in here, where we have self, result. So it'll just be box new result, right?
I think so, yes. Let me sharing screen.
Yeah, I pass the command. Oh no, it's not my job to pass the command. I get the command.
Be right back.
Should I? Wait.
Yeah.
Wait a bit.
I think you can start.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so now
We were driver command new. We were defining the new.
Oh,
method.
you didn't?
No, I did not complete it. No.
Okay. So wait, let me go back to the. I wanna. Okay, never mind.
I mean, the method is defined, but the function body is still to
But
that's it.
where is it defined? Am I in the wrong?
Wait.
Or did you say?
So I sorry, I did not save it.
Okay. But I can just go and generate. I just.
I just
where
pushed
is
it.
it?
You can just pull. You can just mob mob space S, and it'll pull the latest changes. That's it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Thanks.
Yeah.
So, and this would just return a box of of results.
Yeah, but I think it'll be wrapped in a self because you have to return a self. Yeah.
I
think that's the case. Expected.
Oh, it's a. So the body is not. Oh, because there is not type properly, I guess. This. So result should be the dyn func.
I'm back.
FN mute.
Yeah.
Let's see if you're getting this right.
So this should be the.
I think it did not generate the type correctly.
No, you can't have a dyn. No, it should be an impl. Instead of a dyn, it's the same thing, but with impl.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's impl FN
mute.
The whole thing is the signature for the FN mute as well.
Sorry, say that again.
It needs the signature for the FN mute.
Oh.
And I think it should not be called result. Maybe
yeah.
Maybe an effect
drive command
or command, whatever.
Command could be.
Also, don't trigger us by manually editing.
Okay, my bad. Okay, space R.
Good. Does this work?
No.
The parameter type may not leave long.
I think it's impl function plus static.
So
plus. Yes, single quote static.
Oh, it's before.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what does the static does here? It's because
lifetime. I think.
Okay.
That's
by so because this is impl, then there's no guarantee that it's an owned value. It could be a reference, because references can also implement that. And if it's a reference, then you can't return it, right? That would be a. If you return it, what's it called?
If you return a borrowed lifetime, wait, it's
It's a dangling reference.
okay.
Okay. Now, what we're saying here is static is a special lifetime.
Okay.
And that's special about it. It says, you know what? This could be a value or this could be a reference. If it's a value, then it doesn't matter, right? Because if it's a value, you can return it. It's not a reference, right? But if it's a reference, then this lifetime of that reference is static. It means it lives for as long as the program lives. Which is the case for like string literals, for example. Right? String literals end up as static lifetime refster.
Yeah.
And then they can be passed around the program
flawlessly. Yeah.
As long as the function declares that it takes a static lifetime reference. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. And so now I need to go to the call here. Closure takes argument, but takes one argument. Oh, it takes the me mob next. And is it okay? Yes. More.
Yeah, it's Shahar.
Share screen.
Yeah.
What is that?
It was in a process.
Don't do anything strange. Oh, that's how that begins.
What? The background thingy?
Yeah. I know how it happens.
How? Sorry, I wasn't.
I go here.
Yeah.
And then I get a notification that a file was changed.
Mm-hmm.
And then I press, and then that's weird because like, what file is this? This is not supposed to be a file, right? It's this thing, right? It's not a file. So, but I do get that notification for some reason. As soon as I step on a file, maybe that's, and then when I press L for like load, it loads it in the wrong place, loads it here. And I think, if I may, that is from a plugin? Because I don't think NeoVim has this behavior of like notifying me. I don't remember. You guys use Helix and
I don't think
Z.
notifications are built in inside NeoVim. I think normally it just opens another window with the messages by default, but another buffer with just the messages.
Sorry about this.
No worries.
To build the shell, the flake needs all its inputs, and I garbage collected because I ran out of disk. No more disk. Okay. So does this still break? Yep. I need to like close it, and does it work again? No. What do I need to do to make this work again? I need to close all the buffers, and then it would work. It's probably all. It's not yet all the buffers. Okay. Main. Still broken. Okay, then I will quit. All right. What do we have here?
Yeah.
State. What is this? Scan. Consider borrowing here. What is this? That these are not these are not clone. These have to be clone.
Yeah.
Because of
But
the scan.
I think there was still an error inside the process spawn command function.
Process spawn. You want to do this now?
I think we were doing it before. Yeah, and so the new function is
Takes one argument. Because it's
should it be dot? No.
it is one argument. What are you talking about?
The
This takes
command
one.
is that argument, right? Is it talking about the new functions?
Hold on. That. Okay. And then what's this? Closure is expected to take 0 arguments. Is that? That's correct. Okay.
And so then it should be it should be the vec path and not command, right?
It's not vec. This is command.
It's command args, maybe. Yeah. And so
Cannot move out of. Cannot move out of. We don't want. This is trying to move out. We don't need to move out. We can do clone. And vec. Clone. Events. Unders mutable. Mute. Well, that looks okay. This can be inlined. No, not. The trait bound. Okay. Can I work on this? May I work on this?
Yep.
No, I
Mhm.
I don't have time.
Or
Rotated.
I give you the command.
Sharing. Mob start. Mhm. Let's look at all the errors.
Well, this is a nasty one, so let's fix
Uh-huh.
that one. The first one.
The first one. Yeah.
Yes. This happens because now this is a vec of command which is not cloned, but it has to be cloned because scan requires that. So
Mm-hmm.
we need it to be only arguments at this point, and then later on we can. I think we can do that for this to be only arguments. Like line 92,
Mm-hmm.
we won't be calling drivers process spawn command. We will
Right.
be passing an
Process
enum,
spawn args.
right? But it has to be an enum,
Mm-hmm.
like an enum spawn args. The enum, maybe the enum can be. I don't know if we want to decouple the drivers from each other, but maybe the enum can be something like driver command args, driver command args, or just command args. Start from the usage.
Yeah. Okay. So this will no more have this, right? And that'll be
Yes, command args,
command args.
variant.
Oh, it's already from process, std process.
Don't import it.
Okay.
And
Command args.
call.
Mm-hmm.
No, that was correct. Actually, we need that. Call process spawn. Right. So we would have this enum command args. No, don't import it. Create it.
I thought there will be a command action to create it, but yeah.
Apparently, there's no command. There's no action for creating an enum. Only
Yeah.
a variant.
Uh-huh.
So we need
So pub create, need enum. Yeah, I've been
command
now trying to
args.
learn this new layout. So my previous, I'm struggling with QWERTY now. Yeah. And that'll be process spawn, process spawn args. Yeah.
And make it clone.
Derive clone. All right. And now we go back. Yeah.
And we need to change the type of command Or maybe it's inferred anyway. So
Yeah. We just need to change these and it'll get auto inferred, I guess.
okay.
So this will not be driver command, process wait,
But
process wait.
command args.
Yeah. Command args.
Basically, just replace driver command with command args.
Command args. And instead of process wait, you will have.
It is process wait, isn't it?
Is it? Yeah, it is. But instead of process wait driver command, we'll have
It would be
process wait spawn process wait args.
Yeah.
But it's not. Just rename the struct. It'll be the same struct, right?
Oh,
It's just that
rename?
now it's not the command itself. It's
Yeah.
just arguments for the command.
Yeah.
So rename the struct.
It's just a
This one doesn't
yes.
exist, so we just. Oh, is there a command action to generate variant? Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. And the same thing here.
nice. Yeah.
Command args. Oh, what? Command args. And browser spawn, that's correct.
And it's
Generate
the
variant.
driver command that should be.
Yeah.
Should rename this to
Replace
the
process browser spawn args. All right. That's it. I think. Wait. Yeah, no, one more. We gotta change this to command args. And this one to stood out is correct. Generate variant and replace this with process driver args.
Stood out args.
Stood out args. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Then here we get the command args, and from here we generate the command.
So this tap is. I think this tap is correct, but after the tap, we need to do the thing. We do a map.
Right. Rotated. Oh wait, did I save this?
Sharing screen.
Wait, my thing is frozen.
I will wait until Shivaraj confirms rotation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shivaraj, take command.
Yeah. Yeah, I've just mob nexted. You can take over. Yeah. Yeah. We were in app.rs. We were implementing the map towards the end. I think it's the end of the file. Yeah.
Here.
Right. So.
And so we should.
Yeah, here we have the command args. And we need to generate the driver command, I believe. So
the new. Oh yeah, there's no, because it's.
There'll be a closure inside map, I think. Command. The closure with command as an argument.
Like.
Does the tab actually return? Oh yeah, I think that's it. We need to. Is the closure closed? Yeah. Okay. There will be another pipe after command. The first
Yeah.
command.
So what's the but so we don't want, oh sorry, what is it there? Maybe this is because it's returning. No.
What is there should be a match here, right? Instead of just passing command to this
Yes.
new, there should be a match on the enum, on the command enum, right? Fill.
Um.
They have an action for filling the
Space A.
Oh, fill match arms.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice.
now. I need to call each driver's
Init.
Maybe init, yeah, maybe init, and then we can rename init and modify it so that it's actually returning a closure.
So I should init the R? No, the
For process spawn args,
yeah.
call process spawn driver, drivers dot process spawn. Drivers is a binding here.
Oh.
Process spawn. What happened? Call init. No, it's a method call. Yeah. This already doesn't have init, right? This is the one we modified. So
Yeah.
it has command, I believe, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. And then you pass those process spawn args.
Oh. And I think I have an extra.
You also removed D from command. Process spawn dot command. Yeah.
If you don't have it, like, can you give the editor some more screen instead of scrolling it?
Yeah.
It's okay. Using the mouse is fine. Oh, you can do it.
Yeah. I added a keybind. So there we are trying to process spawn.
Yeah. I thought our errors should be gone by this point.
Which
Why
error?
is there?
The error that was enclosing the entire scan.
Look, process spawn command returns a driver command. So we don't need to do driver command. Does it? Hold on. What am I looking at? Expected of fn mute closure.
On driver command.
Does process spawn command, what does it return?
It returns a driver command. Oh, so we don't need the new, we just need the match arm, that's it.
Well,
we don't need driver command.
I would say opposite inverse of that. If we can call driver command new here,
we don't need driver command there.
Yeah, we don't need to instantiate it everywhere. We can return an impl.
Fun mute, function mute.
Yes.
So from
You need to go to command of process spawn driver, command function. You can go to definition on line number 166. Yeah. This should
Yep.
return fun mute instead of driver command. Yeah, the function mute. I think it'll be impl.
mob next.
Sharing.
Giving the command to Olivia.
Yes.
Process spawn.
So we want to change
Impl. Fn mute plus
static.
static. Okay.
And so
And
we
then
should just
unwrap
return the
that.
yes.
This is the call site. And for the rest of them, this does not have debug. We do want it to have debug. That's fine. What's may outlive, but it borrows. Okay, let's just implement it and then see what happens. Here it'll be drivers.process wait init.
Or the
Process wait args. And this will be similar. Process
Browser spawn.
browser spawn.
Browser
Browser spawn. Process. Can it just be args? Args. 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 Browser spawn, process wait, and
std out.
drivers good out. Okay. Go to the type of drivers and add process wait, process wait.
Driver.
Browser spawn. Browser
spawn driver.
No. Browser spawn driver. And stood out.
Stood out.
Errors. Yeah. I don't expect this to work yet, but also this should be command. Command. And command.
Command. And now we can go into each of
Okay,
them in refactor.
I think it takes ref self.
I think so, and it takes the args.
Process wait. Just args. Process wait args. And it returns a impl
of the F mute.
and mute.
It's kind of static.
Static. And that would be basically this here.
Yeah.
Let event sender equals self clone. This. Okay, what's the deal here now? Takes one argument, what? Okay, this closure does not take arguments. Cannot
And
file
it's
child.
arg.child, right? Should be.
Args child.
Or did we already create the process?
No process. It's like 0. Sorry, hold on. This is child, isn't it?
Available field is 0.
I'm sorry, hold on. Process, wait, args child. Child lock.
Oh, that works. Okay. I didn't know you could unpack like this.
Pattern matching.
Mm-hmm. And so it should be mutable. Yeah.
Mute.
All right. And what's the
This one. This one. So I have self.
it's the R?
Args.
Or maybe we just unpack, or should we?
Yeah.
Should we unpack
Rotate
it each time? I give you the command.
Mm-hmm. Voilà. Yeah. Mobs start. App others. Browser wait. Process wait was done, I believe.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was done. We gotta implement browser spawn command. This is correct. Args. We'll have browser spawn args.
Arg.
And all of this, blah, 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 goes away. And there we go. And this one, impl fn mute plus static. So we will only have, wait, switch map there is. So Shahar, what happens to the switch map? The switch map that we have for subscribe?
It's a good question. Our contract at the moment is an FN mute.
Yeah, which is here.
But this is an async.
Infinite.
This is the future.
Mhm.
So we could basically say, okay, so this could be async. So like everything is async. We could say this needs to be impl async fn mute. I don't know how well that
Oh.
works. I don't know whether it has, but I
Yeah,
think
there's async FM. Oh, okay. That is async FM mute.
so actually, so when you have a future, see this, yeah, futures are like they don't need to be they're already closures, so it doesn't need to be an fn mute. It can just be something like an impl future.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this one, but without the function call, I guess. Just this.
And you also need to tell what the output of the future is. The output is unit.
Like this way.
I think it's output. It's associated type, not type parameter. So it's similar to that, but
oh, similar to that.
yes, but you have to write output equals.
Oh. Okay. Right. So
Now
do
you
we
take
include
that async block
Mhm.
and you put, before you do that, put the next call.
subscribe this one?
So just the next call.
Just the next call.
Yes, the call for next.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yes, put that
Uh-huh.
after the inside the bottom of the async block.
All right. Got it. Yeah.
Not quite.
Bottom of the async block. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and now you need a binding for the result, because currently it's a tail expression.
Yeah.
Going.
Mhm. And now we extract this async block. Move it up. Oh no, I just have to replace this entire thing. What? I think it's Command R. Yeah. So that it did not reformat.
You have a tail expression.
Oh. Yeah. Did not reformat yet.
No, that was a wrong edit. You just removed something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The error is that's missing a semi at the end of 40.
Oh, right. Oh yeah, now it works. Yeah, that's right. We got a event sender here. We need to event sender let event sender is equal to self dot event sender dot clone. This goes away.
It needs to be mute. I think. Not sure.
Yeah, did it?
I think this will be my last thing. I have to go pretty soon-ish. Time flies.
Tu veux rajouter command?
Yeah.
Be right back.
Okay.
Mab. So it was inside the.
It was in the browser spawn artist. Yeah. Correct. So I think this works now. Does it? No.
Wait.
It's not a future. The trade future is not implemented for.
Sorry. So it means that what we are returning is not the.
I mean, I think it's just that the driver command also. Oh wait, I think.
But are we returning the event sender? Shouldn't it be out? Because at the moment we are returning all this. Yeah, that's a sync. Yeah.
I think we just have to change driver command from fn mute to futures.
Yeah.
Future output. Yeah. So this one, it takes a box then fn mute, and I think it should be a future instead.
So it should be a box of a two or just a future.
Yeah, instead of fn mute, I think it'll be future output and all of that. Yeah, output is equal to unit. Yeah.
And so here we also don't want to, we want to take the future.
I think the static still remains. But
yep.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And the impl future.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm back.
Yeah, we were just changing driver command. Yeah.
Browser. Yeah.
Was it not that?
But that didn't. Wait, so this.
I think we're missing a move.
Move async.
Async move.
Yeah.
Async move.
Hold on. That's an async closure.
Yes.
Yeah.
What? It should not be an async closure, just an async block.
So without So should I delete this? What?
Yes.
Yeah.
But it does need the move keyword because you need to move the event sender into that async block.
Okay. And then result is
Result is coming from browser init,
our
await, yada
from-
yada. Basically, you can use extract, select the see that statement there? The expression of that
Yep.
statement is the value you're looking for. So you
Oh,
can
it's,
use
so this
extract.
should be result.
I don't like that this works because you've selected the semicolon as well.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's being forgiving.
Oh, it doesn't. It should be result.
Yes. Like you wouldn't expect it to know that.
And so this should be mutable. Okay. And so we also have to change in the order, since we just changed this one, we also have to change it in the other drivers, right?
This is Rust.
We changed the
You don't need
driver command to the future.
you don't need to make this effort.
Oh,
We just need to follow the errors.
okay. But there is still the std out thing to convert, right, in the app here.
Mm-hmm.
Or std out.
Just pick an error and fix it.
Yeah. Lot of. So what's match having type? Okay, so this should now return the future.
Static is
remains.
correct.
Yeah, it's the future output false. Oh. And so we need to make the anything. Wait, so what next?
Sharing.
Yeah. I think Olivia said he has to leave.
Yeah, after this one, I'm gonna
Okay.
leave, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Starting.
Yeah. You can take the command. Olivia.
Yeah. So we're inside the
I did it again, but this time it did not occur for some reason.
process wait
Oh, because I
command
did
function.
not really do it again. Okay. Yeah. This here.
Yes. And so it's not
Async
so we think
move,
async.
not closure.
Yeah. And we need to do the same for the
This.
for the other one, yes.
This is correct.
That's correct.
Yeah. So this is the process spawn just above. Process spawn command.
This.
Yeah. Yes, I think this one needs to be changed to the future as well. Output equals unit. And then we want to do the move async without the And I think that's all right. And we still need to convert, and the STD
Yes.
out, I think, is the only one missing.
Your future. Stood out.
Yes,
Self. Args.
args.
It'll
That's
be
STD
args.
out. Yeah,
Args. This is just a string.
string. Yeah,
Stood out. Args. And Paul.
future output unit.
Output unit plus static.
Static.
Grab closure. Replace this. Sync. Pair.
Yep. And I think that's. So what is the issue there now?
Something expects FN mute.
Okay, maybe it's the browser's.
Well, this args is not correct. What is this? This is not like that. Impl future output static. Future output static. So it says expected impl fn mute plus static found impl fn mute plus static.
It's the
Match
new
arms have
function.
incompatible types. What do you mean?
Driver command new is probably still defined.
Look, expected impl fn mute plus static found impl fn mute plus static.
Oh.
Match arms have incompatible types. Okay, so this is the point where we need a box. Here we already need a box. So each of these needs to be boxed. Does that make sense? Okay, they cannot live on in the same place on the stack. Can we box this? Box. Box.
But
box. 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 And it's not enough because we need to type inference doesn't work. We need to make it dyn, which means we need to like grab this and extract it and say this is a box dyn impl future output is nothing, which is basically a box future of that, and it's borked my match. Oh, this is a bit different because it has this pin box. So actually, this is different. It's like you do this different. This is box, maybe even box local. Box local. Boxed low boxed future. This has send. I don't think it should have send. So we're looking for a boxed future local, box local, Local box, local box, future.
Local box future. Okay.
And again, I have this bug here. There is no such. We need it from some box. Local is future X. Future X. I don't know, maybe it'll be imported somehow. Rotated.
Mhm.
So I pass you the command. No, you. Yes. Yes. And I gotta go.
Awesome work, Olivier.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for this session. It was
Thank you.
nice. Can't wait to see how it all works together with if it all works together now with the closure
Me too.
in the future.
Mhm.
You'll get the
So
report
there is
next
no
time.
session. I'm down. There is no session next week, right? Correct.
Yeah.
Unless we schedule it to a different time.
Yeah. Yeah, I
But
can see.
Shivaraj is on a
uh,
full-time job, and
Yeah.
I don't think he has.
Yeah. And I might be in on vacation anyway, so that's fine by me. But yeah, let's keep it updated and see you next time then.
Looking forward.
Yeah, me too. Have a nice one.
Be well, Olivier.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. So we were here. Box local. This is on to be of type. Was that an error? Yeah, no method name box local found for opaque type. Traits can only be used if the trait is in scope.
And this is from Future X.
Yeah.
But I don't know why it doesn't. Maybe we don't have Future X trait. Maybe it's because it's not a direct dependency. We can't use it.
Mm-hmm.
We need to make it a direct dependency.
Dependencies. Is it alphabetical?
Mostly, I think it's from futures. Oh, we do have futures.
No.
Can you find out where it's from?
Docs Solaris futures.
Maybe.
Box local. Future X.
Okay. Show us the Future X item. Scroll to top.
Mm-hmm.
This is not under a feature flag, is it?
Doesn't look like it. But also, I think here we have it only in dev dependencies.
No, you got it. You got it. Yes. Just
Yeah.
move it. Move it.
Wait, can I just move it here?
No,
Janet.
to the list.
Oh, right. Yeah. Yeah. Is that the correct list? Yeah, it is. All right.
This is probably sorted.
Oh. So where does F go? F here. Yeah. Oh no, did I make Control Shift U? Yeah. And save. I have to reload and write files. Is that
Yes.
correct? Write files. Okay. And now, where am I? Yeah. Let's open the app Paris. go over to the diagnostics. Yeah. And there we go. I don't think I think it qualify.
When the one you should pick is the one that imports it as anonymous.
Mhm.
Did you do that?
No, I think it is imported because I didn't have to do anything.
Then can you go to the top to the imports? Show
Mhm.
that import. Okay.
Future ext.
Remove it.
This future ext.
Yes.
Okay.
And now see the action
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
as anonymous, as underscore.
Oh.
This means that the only way that this has effect in the scope is that methods can be used on it, but it cannot be referred. It's not really in the name itself. Not in scope.
Mm.
I wish there was a lint for this.
Right. Oh. Now, how do I? Now I have to do the same thing here, but I wanted to unwrap this. Is there?
Just no. I don't think there's.
Okay.
Just select the argument and then select and copy it,
Yeah.
and then select the entire expression and paste.
Yeah. MIM or MAM? No.
Well, it'd be nice if you can do the syntax, the AST based selection.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I did. Oh yeah. Yeah. So if I do MAM, it selects the basis, but if I do MIM, it selects only this.
That's not AST based, right?
It is AST based. It's a tree FMT based. Oh, it's tree FMT based.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah. So
that's great.
So if I do M, it matches stuff, matches around inside, and
no, that's not tree. That's not tree.
This is tree sitter based.
Tree sitter. Why would it?
Yeah.
That's just.
So M, I do usually MI, and then I can M again. It selects the closest surround nodes.
But that's not syntactical, is it? Oh, when it says tree sitter, then it's tree sitter.
Yeah.
Argument.
Yeah.
Choose argument.
Yep.
And now yank.
Yep.
And now do it again.
Uh-huh.
Why did you?
Oh. I have to select this entire bit, right? Including this.
Yes, but why did you press any key other than to the one that opens that menu? Like you didn't need we didn't need to undo the selection, the first selection.
Oh. Okay.
This is where we were, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you don't need to. You just need to open that menu, right?
Okay, this. And select around, I think.
And it would be something like the function call.
This?
That's what I'm saying, the function call. Apparently not.
Yeah, that's fucked. Yeah, so I usually select this. I mean, I can just do a word select or other.
Don't you have a command that selects up the tree? Then you can just press it until you have the correct selection.
There should be. I haven't tried looking. I'm not sure if select. There is select. Surround add, surround replace on that. Select around object.
You can do the around.
Yeah, I did around.
And then do another around.
Do another around. No, that's not possible.
It's not recursive?
No. Select around and then data structure entry, closest surrounding pair, change. That's all I have. Matching.
Data structure entry.
Maybe it's data structure entry.
Can try it.
No, not that.
It's like we're missing the one that I have,
Yeah.
just whatever node is up the tree.
Yeah.
Or down the tree.
Yeah, I can figure that out. I mean, yeah.
Well, go ahead. Edit it somehow.
Yeah. Okay.
And rotate.
Yeah. Yeah. Rotated.
And how are you with time?
Yeah, I can do 10 more minutes.
What is it, dinner?
I have to go out with my mother and sister.
Shopping?
Yeah.
Because they don't drive?
Yeah.
Some things are global, my friend. What's going on here, huh? Force the closure to may outlive the current function, but it borrows drivers stood out. We're mapping to a closure that borrows drivers. We don't really want to do that. Outlive. We have a problem here.
Yeah.
I think we can just move all the drivers into this. We don't use them anywhere else.
Yeah. That seems to work.
Private fields. Fill.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's not right.
Yeah. One more error.
The heck is that? It's a future now?
It's a future, yeah.
What? It's a future. Okay. Map. Switch map. Driver command. Local. Command. What do we have here now? Whoops. Future. Box future. I can't read this. Where's the actual first error? Cannot
Yeah,
be
I think that is
activated.
it. Yeah.
Done. What is driver command?
Box time future.
Okay, so that's not quite it. This is local box future, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Static.
Static. And now that's not how. That's just. Now it's just. Now it really doesn't need a new, does it?
Mm-hmm.
Man. I don't know. It just doesn't need a new. I don't even. Why are we even doing this?
Yeah, we don't need new. We can just return command 1.
Type safety. Expected function found. What is this? It's a unit?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what happens here is we're subscribing for effect, because this future will just be executed.
Yeah.
So this is just nothing. And we don't have errors anymore.
Oh, right in time. Nice. Yeah. Up start. Yeah. Cargo test. I mean, I think it.
Click one.
Yeah. Diagnostics.
Not one that succeeded, not one that failed.
Oh, right. We need browser. Browser launched. Browser is launched.
Yes, launched.
Yeah, works.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. We can also try page content is served.
Wait. Why
Yeah,
is
that
it
works.
so friggin' fast?
Yeah, it took very. I mean, it just ran in seconds actually. Finished in 0.3 seconds.
Can we see on my machine, is it different? Because do you remember how long it took to execute the
Spawn the
browser?
browser. Yeah. Yeah.
Was it the same for you?
No, I think it was. I'm not sure actually. I don't remember. You should try it. Try running it on your machine.
I'll just do the test, cargo test. Browser is launched.
That should take like.
Yeah, it takes time. I don't know
Takes
why.
time. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. It's probably the processor. I don't know.
Oi.
Yeah.
Didn't we establish that my processor is faster?
Yeah, but I have it on power now. I have it on. I have it plugged to the wall. So I think it's not using power efficiency more anymore.
Wait, you're running this locally?
This is over SSH.
Okay, so what are you? Is it a laptop?
Yeah, it's
over
a laptop.
SSH?
Yeah.
Dude, that doesn't matter. It's
Okay.
I have a desktop processor.
Oh.
It must be something else. And we don't know why. We don't know what it is. It's kind of strange because the browser is supposed to be completely provided by this environment.
Yeah.
So something here is fishy. Do I have a browser running? Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, whatever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You want to bail?
Yeah, sounds good. We finished this anyway.
Yes, this is excellent work. I love this change. I think it's pretty nice.
Yeah, true.
I think the drivers this last transformation
Mhm.
can be outside. It can be in main. Notice we're passing this map.
Mhm.
It moves the drivers into it, and the only reasons we have the drivers in the app is for this.
Yeah.
So shouldn't this be in main instead?
Oh yeah, that makes sense. We already did switch map here also.
So right before the delay.
Yeah.
That would probably be that because when it really passed the drivers into the app, that's the smell I noticed before, right? As we wrote that.
Yeah.
Okay.